call. This is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another updating video. This time I have beta 9 of iOS 26. So for this purpose, you have to go inside your setting. In setting, you have to go here, that is general, as usual. In general, software update, you can see here I have beta 9 of iOS 26, only 3.20 gigabytes of update from 8 to 9. If you have some other version of beta, it may be more for you, depends on place to place, people to people. Okay, in case if you don't see this beta, you have to click this here. This one should be on, all of the options should be on. Then this one, if it's off, you have to turn on to beta. One most important thing, you have to have Apple developer account. If you don't have Apple developer account, you can't see that, you can't see this beta. So you have to go to the Apple developer and make an Apple developer account. After that, also you have to check the eligibility of your phone. So which phone are supported in this case, from iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone 13, 14, 15 and 16. Pro Max, also Plus version are eligible for this beta. iPhone 10, you may not get this beta update. After doing all the things, checking all the things, you have to do one more thing, that is backup. That is super important in case if you want to return to previous version, or if your phone is brick or something, you can recover from your backup. So in this case, you have to go to back here, this option, your name, go inside. In your name here, you have to go iCloud. So two ways you can do backup: by iTunes in your Mac or computer, also in your phone in iCloud. Normally iCloud gives you 5 gigabytes of free backup. If you have more data, more picture, more photo, you have to purchase more gigabytes. So here you have to come this option, iCloud backup. Then you see backup now button here, click this one. iCloud setting, continue, hit continue, and you see estimating time remaining, so it will take couple of minutes, but always better to do a backup. And another important thing, the battery should be full or connect with a charger while you are updating your phone, in case if you have any problem, to avoid that. So backing up is going on. Backup is done. Now we go back here, general, software update, and hit update now. You have to put your password. It's loading. Let's see, update requested. 21 minutes remaining. So meanwhile, you can go and grab some tea or coffee, and I will be back. After restarting couple of time, it comes to this screen, software update is done. Swipe to unlock. Here we go. To put your passcode. Here, turn on iCloud, don't use. So no welcome screen, no other indication of camera or other application, nothing. So very base and plain. So this update basically fixes all the bugs or other things. You have some problem before. If you pause the Wi-Fi, it didn't pause total, it was working one way to another. Now surely they fix all these bugs. Okay guys, let's see inside the update version setting. Is still 23A, 53, 36A. So this could be the last beta before the final version of iOS and all the design. Okay, in the next video I'm gonna show you if there are some big changes in iOS beta 9 or not. So this is the way you can update your iPhone 16 Pro Max or any other version to last version of beta, that is beta 9. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.